Deepika Padukone, who recently got embroiled into a cleavage controversy, has revealed that she has issues when people propagate objectification of a real person and not a character being played, and that she wants these people to respect artists as women of screen. Actor Deepika Padukone on Friday demanded that respect be accorded to women and slammed news organizations for constructing what she called cheap headlines in an open letter posted on Facebook in response to the potentially damaging article posted about her in a national daily. Deepika Padukone said, "My point of view, there is only one sign that a woman wants to have sex, and that is that she says yes. The reason I write the above line is because we all know that in India we are so desperately trying to make a change in the way sections of our society think in order to move towards a hyper world devoid of inequality, rape, fear and pain. I am not native about my own profession. It is one that requires lot of demanding things of me. A character may demand that I be clothed from head to toe or be completely naked, and it will be my choice as an actor whether or not I take either. Understand that this is a role and not real, and it is my job to portray whatever character I choose to play convincingly. What my concern is, and I am standing is clearly, so it is not misconstructed or confused with Shah Rukh's 8-pack or any other woman's or man's anatomy. I have spoken out against an ideology that such regressive tactics are still being employed to draw a reader's attention at a time when we are striving for women's equality and empowerment. In a time where women should be applauded for making headway in a male-dominated society, we blur the lines between real and real life and dilute all our efforts by making a 1-year-old backsliding piece of news a headline, digging out an old article and heading it, "Oh my god, Deepika's cleavage show," to attract readers is using the power of influence to proliferate recessive thought. When an actress in her wear decides to do a peekaboo, she must definitely did not step out with the intention to do so. So, instead of zooming in, circling it and pointing arrows at it, why don't we give her some respect and let it go instead of making it headlines? Are we not human? Yes, we marvel, envy and roll over a male actor's 8-pack abs in a film. But do we zoom in on the man's crotch when he makes a public appearance and make that cheap headlines? I have no issue celebrating my body, and I have never shied away from anything on screen to portray a character. In fact, my next character portrayed is a bar dancer, sorry Farah for the spoiler, who titillates men as a means to support her livelihood. My issue is you propagating the objectification of a real person and not a character being played. Sure, dissect my character if you wish. If it is of so much interest, then discuss the character's cup size and leg length if it is relevant to making the role convincing. All I am asking for is respect as a woman of screen. It is not about breasts, penis or any other body part being reported. It is a matter of context and how out of context the reportage is just to sell a headline, and more so during a time in dire need of an attitude shift towards women. For me, this topic ends here. Everyone is entitled to an option. I have little interest to take this further, as it might get more attention than it deserves and might be further misconstrued and twisted to sell more undeserved headlines. Having said that, please may we show love, dignity and respect to each other. Live well, laugh often and love much. Deepika Padukone. The issue kept trending on social networks with hundreds using and supporting Bollywood diva. To know more about the filmy news, do not forget to subscribe our channel.